In this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark in Firefox in just a few easy steps. Bookmarking a page is one of the fastest ways to save your favorite websites so you can come back to them later without searching again. Whether you want to save a tutorial, a shopping page, a news article, or an important work link, Firefox makes it very simple. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to the website that you want to bookmark. You can type the web address into the address bar or use a search engine to find the page you want to save. After the page has fully loaded, look at the right side of the address bar. You'll see a star icon there. That star is the bookmark button. Go ahead and click the star icon once. The moment you click it, Firefox will save the page and open a small Edit Bookmark pop-up. This is where you can quickly make the bookmark your own. At this stage, Firefox has already bookmarked the page, so even if you do nothing else, the page is saved. But if you want to keep your bookmarks organized, this next step is very useful. In the Edit Bookmark window, you can change the bookmark name if you want something shorter, clearer, or easier to remember. For example, you might want to rename a long page title into something simple like Work Portal or Recipe Site. You can also choose exactly where to save the bookmark. Firefox gives you a few different options, such as the Bookmarks toolbar, the Bookmarks menu, other bookmarks, or any other folder you have created. If you want the page to appear right at the top of your browser for quick access, the Bookmarks toolbar is a great choice. If you prefer to keep things organized inside folders, the Bookmarks menu or another custom folder may be better. Just select the location you want, review the name if needed, and then click Done to finish saving your bookmark. Now let's talk about how to find your saved bookmarks later. To access them, click the three-line menu in the top right corner of Firefox. This is the main menu button. From there, select Bookmarks. You'll then see a list of your saved pages and bookmark folders. Simply click the website you want to open and Firefox will take you straight there. If you bookmark sites often, this feature can save you a lot of time. Instead of typing the same website address over and over, you can keep all your important pages organized and ready to use in just a couple of clicks. It's especially helpful if you use the same websites every day for work, study, or personal tasks. You can also repeat this process for as many pages as you want. Just open a new page, click the star icon, customize the bookmark if needed, and choose where to save it. Over time, your bookmark collection can become a very powerful shortcut system inside Firefox. So that's how to bookmark in Firefox. It's quick, simple, and one of the best ways to stay organized online. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.